What's going on, guys? My name is Jesse Frimpong, and in this video I'm going to show you guys the newest and most insane AI site and how it's completely changing the world of e-commerce. I'm also going to show you guys how to use this new AI site to make millions of dollars online, just like I have. You're not going to want to miss this one. Stay tuned until the end. So a lot of you guys know me as the kid who used to work at Taco Bell making $8 an hour, and now I'm a multi-millionaire. But most of you guys don't know that I made the majority of my money using AI automations that basically ran my business whilst I slept. Now this new AI automation system that was just launched a few weeks ago is completely changing the game. And honestly, even though I've been using AI for a long time, I've never seen anything quite as advanced or as open and accessible to the public as this one. So let's get right into it. The name of this one is ChatGPT's 4.0. So everyone knows about OpenAI. They were the first big AI site to be accessible to the entire world. And honestly, they're the ones who made AI mainstream. This happened about a year ago. Now, AI has been around for a very long time, but it wasn't accessible to regular people like you and I. It was only accessible to the billion-dollar companies like Google. And now anyone can use it. Like you and I can use an AI site and create product images and create social media posts and find affiliates and retarget and run ads, all using artificial intelligence. But it's still kind of complicated and people still don't really know how to use it to actually monetize and make money. But with this site that I'm going to show you, it's actually crazy because it makes it so easy. So let me break it down for you. ChatGPT introduced a new feature called 4.0, which is an image creation where you can literally type in anything and it'll create real live images based on what you say. And guess what? They can even be motion activated. So let's go in and take a look. So once you log into ChatGPT, you are going to need their subscription. Please just pay the money because it's so worth it. Back in the day, for anything close to what I'm about to show you, you would have to pay an engineer or a software developer or even an image creation person to create these kind of advanced images. And now you can do it for $20 a month using ChatGPT. So once you log into your ChatGPT and you have your ChatGPT Plus, you're going to go to the image creation software. Now check this out, right? We had this product here, which is a Silogit gummy, which went absolutely viral, and I made thousands, millions of dollars selling this product. But everything I did for this product was manually done. I ordered the products, I took the pictures, I did a whole photo sheet, and it went well. I made my money, but with this, I wouldn't have had to do any of that. So let's say that I have a supplement brand. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into ChatGPT and I'm gonna upload a picture of this brand, or just type in that you have a supplement gummy that improves health. You're gonna type it in and say that you want a picture of a man eating a gummy and becoming more healthy as he eats the gummies. And literally within a few seconds, it'll create the entire image for you, text to creation. It's absolutely insane, and I've never seen anything quite like it. Now, AI is getting scary, and honestly, for anyone who's in image creation or design, this should scare you. But it shouldn't really scare the people who know how to use these tools, because before, this wasn't accessible to us. These studio creations and Hollywood have been using this kind of technology, and now it's available for us. So imagine if you could take advantage of these tools that are now available for regular people like you and I, and we could make money from it instead of the already rich people. Well, guess what? You would be able to make millions of dollars. Now, in my community, we have students who, when we told them about this 2 weeks ago, began literally creating and running creatives and advertisements using ChatGPT's image creation feature, and they're already making thousands of dollars. We have one of our members who owns a coffee shop, and he created an advertisement of a UGC creator. Now, this isn't a real person. He used ChatGPT and it showed them drinking a coffee cup with his brand, his logo, his coffee shop, and it went absolutely viral. He made thousands of dollars from this UGC, user-generated content. For anyone who doesn't know, just means that you are creating content from a user. This could be you, this could be someone else, or it could be an avatar, but it means that someone else or something is creating content for you. UGC is one of the most powerful ways to promote your brand. And honestly, any type of affiliate marketing is technically UGC. The affiliate part just comes in from paying out a percentage for the sales that that affiliate gets for you. And if you know me, I go heavily and preach heavily on the power of UGC and and affiliate marketing, which is the reason why this tool is such a game changer. If you're not already in the e-commerce game, the step to getting in just got lowered even more, and the amount of money that you can make just became even higher. Like, there's so much opportunity with these new AI tools. So let's pair up a few AIs. I'm going to give you guys 3 AIs that you can pair up together in order to create a system for using this artificial intelligence to actually make money. So we all know that we now can create UGC content, which we're going to use as step 2. But first, we need to actually find a product to sell. So in order to do this, we're going to go to an AI site called viralninja.io, which is going to give us a viral and trending product that we can sell. So we're going to head over to Viral Ninja. We're going to go to the product database, and we're going to find a product based on the products that are going viral right now. That is step number 1 done, because there's nothing you can create if you don't have a product that people actually want to buy. So now we have the product. Step number 2 is creating the content for that product. And for this, we're going to head right into ChatGPT's 4.0 feature and create our images. So let's just say that our product happens to be some kind of jewelry. This was one of my first brands, and I ended up selling that business for over 7 figures, just over 7 million as a matter of fact. Let's say that this is our first product. What I'm going to type into ChatGPT, create me a UGC video of a modern looking person wearing jewelry that has the brand King Jess on it, and put it as an advertisement for young fit people wearing jewelry. And within a few seconds, it's going to create you an entire marketing campaign with videos that can actually move of these creators wearing your stuff that you can then go and use in your marketing. Okay, so that is step number 2. Now we have content to distribute, but how do we distribute this content effectively? Well, we want to get out to as many social media sites as possible. Now, this may sound like a complicated process because you got YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. So how about we simplify it? How about we log into all of our different social media platforms one time, we upload the video one time, but we post it across all of our social medias on a daily basis, multiple times a day. Does that sound too good to be true? Well, before AI, it may have. But now we have repurpose.io. With repurpose.io, you can enter in any video and post it across all of your social medias on an automated schedule, however many times you please. Meaning that if you're posting 3 times a day on 10 different social media platforms, you are guaranteed to go viral on one. And guess what? One viral video can make you $10,000. And for a lot of people, $10,000 is life-changing money. Now, I've taken this model and made millions, and my students within my community, as you can see here, are making a lot of money using this exact same model. Now, I wish I could go more in depth because there's so much more AI that I want to talk about. But for this video, I want you guys to have those 3 steps written down and take action. And then let me know in the comments what you thought about this video and whether you want to see more just like it. Now, using sites like ChatGPT and the other sites that I showed may sound complicated, but don't knock it till you try it. I guarantee if you use what I'm telling you, you will make money and you'll be able to change your life and quit your 9 to 5. Okay, so until the next video, keep going hard. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Make sure that you subscribe and like so that I know that these videos are working, so I can continue to give you guys more. And shoot me your feedback in the comments on what you want to see in the next video. All right, so for everyone watching this, whether you're a student of mine or you're brand new to the channel, I appreciate you for watching. Go and use ChatGPT and test it out for yourself and let me know what you think. Appreciate you guys. Peace.